a new XRP yield product has emerged for holders, combining the infrastructure of Flare with the digital asset management expertise of Monarq. This product, known as the Monarq XRP Yield Vault, MXRPY, is a multi-strategy vault launched on the Flare network. It allows users to deposit Flare XRP, FXRP, and receive MXRPY tokens in return, which represent both their capital and the yield it generates. The vault operates through three distinct yield engines: options trading, funding rate and basis arbitrage, and on-chain XRPFi deployment. The first engine uses XRP as collateral to support options strategies across various platforms and OTC products. The second leverages XRP in funding rate and market-neutral basis strategies using borrowed stablecoins. The third engine allocates capital into Flare-native XRP finance, XRPFi, opportunities, and DeFi applications. This diversification aims to provide a broader range of yield opportunities for XRP holders. The initial deposit cap is set at 500,000 FXRP, and the vault targets an annual percentage yield, APY, of 3% to 4%, depending on strategy performance and market conditions. Withdrawals are processed weekly on Fridays through Upshift's infrastructure, with an optional instant redemption mechanism available for a fee. The product is accessible via Upshift's platform, which handles the technical execution and user interface for the vault. Monarq's managing partner, Shiliang Tang, emphasized the importance of expanding. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Financial options for XRP holders, calling MXRPY a step toward a more robust financial system. The Flare network, which underpins this product, is a blockchain designed for DeFi applications and tokenized asset deployment. Its integration with XRP and DeFi tools like XRPFi allows for more flexible and scalable yield strategies. The MXRPY product is notable because it brings together multiple yield-generating mechanisms into a single, accessible product. This could be especially valuable for XRP holders who want to maximize returns without having to manage multiple platforms or strategies themselves. The use of FXRP, XRP tokenized on the Flare network, also opens up new avenues for XRP utility beyond traditional staking or liquidity provision. However, the success of MXRPY will depend on the performance of its underlying strategies and the stability of the markets in which it operates. Arbitrage and options trading are inherently volatile and subject to market conditions, which means returns could fluctuate. Additionally, the APY range of 3% to 4% is competitive but not unprecedented in the DeFi space. What sets MXRPY apart is its focus on XRP and its integration with Flare's infrastructure, which could attract a specific segment of the market. The product's accessibility is another key factor. Weekly withdrawals and an optional instant redemption mechanism provide liquidity flexibility, which is important for yield investors who may need to adjust their positions based on changing market dynamics. The collaboration between Monarq and Flare also highlights a growing trend in DeFi: the integration of traditional financial strategies with blockchain-native tools. This hybrid approach may appeal to investors who are looking for more sophisticated yield strategies, but are still early in their DeFi journey. The next signal to watch is the performance of MXRPY in its early stages of deployment. Investors and analysts will be tracking the APY distribution, the utilization of the vault's capital, and the effectiveness of each yield engine. The initial deposit cap and the product's availability through Upshift's platform also suggest a measured rollout. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now, which could indicate a focus on stability and user experience. The broader XRP ecosystem is also watching to see how this product influences the adoption of Flare and XRPFi. If successful, it could serve as a model for other XRP-based yield products in the future. For now, the MXRPY product is a concrete example of how XRP is being integrated into DeFi and yield strategies beyond simple staking. It reflects the ongoing evolution of XRP's utility and the expanding role of Flare as a DeFi infrastructure provider. The next development to monitor is whether the vault meets or exceeds its APY targets and how it adapts to changing market conditions.